the next step. We've probably advanced a lot of steps since the last time I've shown it, but we have the first coat of primer, gray primer on the vehicle of all the stuff that we're gonna paint with the white. So we have gone through and removed the rust and coated it. Now we just gotta, any little imperfections on this gray primer here, we're gonna sand a little bit, make it nice, and then we're gonna spray some white primer on it. Come along with me today, guys. Guys, come along with me today. Today, guys, come along with me. And today, guys, will come along with me. This white primered down back here and back here. We started to run out of the can. That was the last can that we had, so it's not perfect, but we're not building a show car here. We're just building something nice. Got it all white primered all up. Looking nice, looking nice. I ain't no master painter. All right, paint day just ended. We painted tailgate here, or I don't know if it's tailgate or trunk. I think it's trunk lid. We painted this in the Alpina white. Looks pretty good. Got the side, but we did the white on this rear passenger panel, trunk lid, and the rear driver panel right here. Looks pretty good. Today we're gonna be taking off the tape. All the painting is done, so now we put the car back together. We're gonna take off all the tape. We're gonna take off the tarp. Then we're gonna put on the new rims. This was the ground protection. S13 equals cardboard box holder. Everything. Unboxing, like unwrapping a Christmas present on purpose. Oh my gosh, that was that. we're gonna put the tail lights back on. Tail light, and then this little back trim that's like the tool chest that holds the BMW tools. And put the trunk lid back together. First one. Whoa. Right side, done. Whoa. Cool. Now we gotta get this part put on. Okay, now we're gonna put this in. The trunk lid, the trunk inner plastic trunk lid, tool chest plastic trunk lid. Make sure this is over there. There we go. Oh, that's not in there.
The dust that came out of that was.
It's supposed to keep water out of like. Slide into that that pocket thing. Make that bracket supposed to slide on. Is it cool? We're done with the new paint job. Looks really good with the crusty, dusty bumper. Looks really nice. This part over here looks really good. We'll try and find some before pictures and put them on the screen so you see what it looks like. So it looks really nice, I think. But the plastic piece on this side is broken, so I'll just like zip tie it so it stays more flush. But otherwise, it looks really good. And then when we come back the next time, we'll put the front on and the fender on. We'll put the rims on, and this car will be all done. Let's go to the next day. Today is the final day of the wagon. We are ready to bring it out. All we have to do today is the bumper on, and we're gonna put on the new sweet, super sick, super sweet, super awesome rims that we bought for it. I'm gonna get the car ready to drive today. Guys, today we're getting ready to drive the car today, guys. So come along with me for the final day and the reveal. And we're gonna get this car all ready to drive. First, we're gonna have to move the car so we can get closer to the sidewalks because we have to open this door to get the fender off. But first, I'm gonna get into my mechanic clothes. And we're back. And then in approximately 2 hours, we can move the car out and then put it to the side. But guys, we have to wait 2 hours.
We had 2 hours.
No.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's facts.
Then you want to apply these in a bolt, a star pattern. Yeah. Hello. Today, as you saw in the video yesterday, the rims did not fit. So we Amazon primed some 1-inch spacers to go on them so we can get the new rims on. Actually, I don't know if we recorded that they didn't fit.
I didn't record anything that went bad after I stopped recording.
So, yes, yesterday the wheels did not fit, they were rubbing against my suspension. And we're gonna put the spacers on today. And then the car will be done. Tighten this more. And we are done. Come with me, come with me. Got the chromey to the domey rims on. That's basically it for this car. We're gonna go wash it and maybe we'll get some B-roll when the car is cleaner and looking more fresher. But yes, take it in, take it in.